Guys, hello guys, welcome to Miscellaneous UPSC. Today we are going to deal about all the important lakes in the world and in which continent, which important lakes are there. I am exempting the lakes in India because we will read in that in Indian mapping. Okay. Let us go into the picture. Okay, first we will come from North America. Okay, this is North America. Fine. Okay, first first lake in North America, that is. These are superior lakes, right? That is, these are Great Lakes, right? Great Lakes. These lakes are in between two countries. One is Canada and another one is USA. Okay. Okay. First, we'll come with Canada. Uh, Please open your atlas. From that, you can simultaneously check. Simultaneously, you can check from there. Okay. First, on the top of Canada, you can find a single lake, right? This is Great Bear Lake. Okay. One. Next. Next one is Slave, Lake Slave. Okay. Next, Athabasca. Okay. Remember, Great Bear Lake, Slave Lake, and Athabasca, and this one is Wimping. Okay. Here there is no clarity, but please do these things with a atlas, or else you will get confusion. Okay. If you do simultaneously, even you will get a real picture where they are. Okay. These Great Lakes are very important. Actually, these all are in Canada. Okay. Canada. Okay. This is not Canada. This is Alaska of USA. Okay. Guys, did you remember any mountain range I told in mountain series? This is Brooks. Okay. Brooks. Here is range named after its own place, that is Alaska. Okay. Canada. Okay. Next, these are important lakes. These are Great Lakes of North America, not USA, because they boundary two countries, Canada and what? Canada and USA. Okay. Here there is no great clarity, right? I will move on to another picture. See. Okay. First one, Great Lake Superior. Okay. Lake Superior. This is the largest freshwater lake in the world. Freshwater, not the largest freshwater lake world. Okay. And the second largest lake in the world. What is the first one? Caspian Sea. Okay. Caspian Sea is the world's largest lake. That is a salty one. So in both fresh and sea, Caspian Sea is the largest, and in freshwater, Superior is the largest. Okay. Next, Michigan, Lake Michigan. Okay. This is Lake Huron. Okay. Next one, this is Lake Erie. Okay. Next one is Lake Ontario. The All these lakes share boundary with these two countries. Okay. Remember these things. Okay. This is Ontario. There is a river which is connecting this Ontario from Canada. That is Saint Lawrence. Okay, we will be discussing rivers completely in a reverse series. Okay, reverse video. Okay, there is another small lake here. That is Great Salt Lake. Okay, You might. Okay, we will come from top again. So Great Bear, bear, slave. Okay, next Athabasca, Athabasca. Okay, Wimping. Okay, so why I'm stressing too much on this Great Lakes is because they may ask in order. I mean, which one is the largest? Superior is the largest. Next is Michigan. This is Huron. Next is Erie and Ontario. Even they may ask from you east to west or no, west to east. What is the first from west? That is Superior. Next, Superior. Next, what is next? Michigan, right? Michigan. Next, next, Huron. Next is Erie. Next is Ontario. Okay, fine. They may this is west to east direction. Fine. This is important. Okay. Okay. So we read all the lakes in North America. We will move on to Southern America. This is Southern America, right? Yes. Are you able to recall all the grasslands which I told in the some grassland video? Find to yours. I mean, I will ask question. Tell to yourself as you are able to recall or not. This is which grasslands are these? Lanos. I told some miscellaneous grassland, right? Which is not present in any textbook. That is Grand Chavo. Okay. Okay. Here, what are there? Simply, you can say campus. Forgetting about that Katingas and Dario. Okay. And last, here there is Pampas. Pampas belong to Argentina. So Pampas is a temperate grassland. Remember, okay. Try to differentiate what is temperate and try to read in a differential form that which are tropical and which are temperate, because they may ask, they will not stick only to which grasslands are present in which country. They may go some more extent, that is which what are tropical and what are grassland. Did you remember what type of grassland is savanna or sunda type is? Tropical. Okay. Okay, where we are in lakes. Okay, fine. Okay, important lake in southern. This is the important lake. Lake Titicaca. Titicaca. See, this is the world's highest lake. Highest lake. Highest means it is on the top of hill. Okay, highest lake. Lake Titicaca. If you go into Bolivia, there is another lake, that is Popo. Okay, Lake Popo. Fine. We are done with these things. Okay, let us recall what we have read. Okay. Okay. Great Bear Slave. Athabasca. Here, if you want to read so much, there is reindeer. This is reindeer. Okay. Reindeer. Okay. Reindeer, Wimping, Superior, Michigan, Huron. What is this? Erie and Ontario. Remember this thing. Largest lake in the world. Largest freshwater lake in the world. Superior. Largest lake in the world, Caspian Sea. Don't think that Caspian, if they gave a tagline sea to that, it means a sea. Sea means what? A ocean which is connected to, which is touching any country is sea. But why it got sea means uh, suppose in ancient times all the people used to depend on, there was no state of technology, right? So what when a people were moving were crossing these things, they were even after so much time they were unable to cross, I mean they were unable to find this land, so they named it after sea. So they named it a sea. After for technology, that is after the demarcation of lands based on satellites, we got to find that that was a landlocked. So they even by that time only it was named as sea. So there was no option of changing it. So they're still going after that. Okay, next. Next we will go to Africa. This is important. Africa is very important. Okay, first first we will start with Chad. Okay, this is Chad, Lake Chad. Okay, Chad is sharing boundary with three countries. This is Nigeria, Chad, and sorry, this is Niger and this is Nigeria. Okay, there is a river flowing here. That is Niger. Okay, okay. If you go here, there is a small country. That is Gabon, I think. Okay, in that there is lake. That is Lake Volta. Okay, this is not a miscellaneous one. If but these are the questions which will change, will make a difference from others and you. Okay, remember these things. Next, see what are the lakes now I am saying are important because from there two important rivers of Africa come. One is White Nile, another one is Blue Nile. White Nile comes from here. Okay, because before becoming Nile, the world's longest river, there are two tributaries of Nile. Okay, one is Nile and another one is Blue, which is coming from Lake Tana. This can be a very important question from which lake uh, Blue Nile is coming because Ethiopia is building the largest dam on Blue Nile. There was a so many of I mean there was so much I mean issues happening between these two countries because if they build any dam here, that is Renaissance Dam I think. Okay, here they are building it. If they build it here, means it is at the above completion. So if they complete it, the downstream countries like Sudan and Egypt are going to suffer. So there are a lot of litigations is happening there. So but remember this thing. This is Blue Nile and Lake Tana in Ethiopia. Fine. Next, this is okay. Blue Nile comes from Tana, and White Nile comes from Victoria. Victoria is surrounded by Tanzania, Uganda, and Kenya. Okay, fine. We have completed these two things. Okay, Chad, Tana, and Victoria. Okay, ignore this thing. Okay, this is a miscellaneous one, so ignore. Another one is Tanganyika. Tanganyika, and they are in the boundary of Zambia and Zimbabwe. There is a lake that is Kariba, Lake Kariba. Okay, and here is there is a country. Okay, that is Malawi. So that lake is called Lake Malawi. So it is also called Nyasa. Okay, Malawi and Nyasa. Okay, there are few lakes here. There is small thing Albert, Albert, and there will be Edward. Okay, these all are Rift Valley lakes. Okay, remember, except Victoria, these all are Rift Valley lakes. In this Rift Valley lakes. Okay, okay, fine. We are done with this thing, right? We will move on to Europe. In Europe, only one good big lake is there. That is Lake Raba. Okay, even in between Switzerland and Italy, there is another like there is a famous city in Switzerland, Geneva. So remember Geneva, which is boundary Italy and Switzerland. Okay, we are done with these things. We will move on to Asia. I told that Caspian Sea is not a sea; it is a lake. So Caspian Sea. Even this thing is a lake, aerial lake or sea, because due to their size they are named lake. Next, Lake Balkash, back Balklash. Okay. Next, this is important one. World's deepest lake, deepest Baikal. Okay. I think we are done with all the lakes. Let us move on to important lake in Australia. Ignore this Erie if you are finding it. So you will be having a idea that the Erie is present in Australia. Okay, there is a lake that is disappointment. Disappointment is present in Australia. Ah, that's it, guys. We completed all the lakes in the world. Let us have a quick recap so that you will not forget. So, in which lake is this? And this, which is bounding Niger, Chad, and Nigeria. This is Chad, right? This one, Victoria. I told from this Victoria, which river is starting? White. Okay, and from there is a lake in Tana from which Blue Nile starts. What is that? That is Tana. Okay. What is the lake I told here? Two lakes. One I left to you. That is Erie and disappointment. Okay. So even recently, 1 month back, a big ship, Evergreen, stuck in between Suez Canal. Right? Do you know the history how it was made? Suez Canal. Actually, there are lakes in between them. They dug it and they connected. Okay. Little Bitter, Great Lake Bitter, uh, Malawi, and Talash. Okay, remember this. I will not, I mean, I'm not completely explaining, I'm leaving to you. Try to find out these things. Okay, there are four lakes which are connected and they were formed into Suez Canal. Try to make a assessment, I mean, like assignment, try to find that. I just gave you complete idea. There are four lakes. Try to find those names. Okay, that's it. Largest lake in Europe, Ladaga. What is this? Deepest lake in the world, Baikal. Fine. This is largest lake in the world, Caspian. Backlash. Fine. So highest lake in the world, Titicaca. Okay, that's it. I hope you like this video, friends. If you like this video, just hit that like button. Share this video to your fellow aspirants. All the best.